Hi guys. So, I've been debating on how I wanted to start this Twin Falls State Park video. And I've already been to the waterfalls. I don't know how this video is going to be set up. I don't know if I'm going to show you the resort first or if I'm going to show you the waterfalls first yet. We've been staying in this room, Cheese and I. Nice, quaint little room. 2 nice beds. We actually have a nice little balcony thing out in the distance. You can hear them play golf because there's a golf course here. TV, a little nice area to sit and eat. Please excuse the towel, that's Cheese's. You have a microwave, refrigerator, coffee machine with Keurig cups with coffee that's made from West Virginia. Nice little place where you can hang up all your clothes and stuff. And a quaint little bathroom. That's the room. Now, I'm going to go on a little adventure. I'm going to show you the rest of the resort. So, you go through the door. Our number is 304, which us West Virginians know is our area code that represents West Virginia. So, we'll go this way. So, we have many other rooms over here. This is one side of the courtyard. So, down these stairs. Out the door. So, this is the massive courtyard. Nice little sitting area. Whole 9 yards. These are the balconies for the other rooms. Nice little garden thing. Now, if you go through these doors, it'll take you up to the restaurant. Cheese is in there currently eating breakfast. So, I'm not a real big breakfast person, so we're not going to go down in there and mess with that stuff. If we keep on walking around this main building over here, that's the main portion of the lodge. Down here they have a little game room. It's not really anything special to write home about. It's just small, quaint, few little games. They have 2 pool tables, but they're pay to play, as you may figure. Air hockey, some other games, claws, whole 9 yards. Come over here, another little sit down area. I guess they're working on stuff down there. There is a pool up here. I'll take you to the pool in a second. There's a pool, there's a fitness room. The lodge overall is really nice. I haven't been impressed with the room this time because I was in the main lodge last time I was here 2 years ago. This time I'm over on the other side of the courtyard. Yeah, it's not really that impressive. So, like I said, there's swimming here, plenty of hiking. Swimming pool's over in that way there. Yeah, it's a wonderful place, really nice. I'm not gonna take you to the pool yet because there's people over there and I don't want to videotape people. So that's Twin Falls resort part. Like I said, there's golfing, there's swimming, there's a fitness center. They basically have anything and everything you want down here in Wyoming County. Yeah, and I plan on showing you some of the hiking parts, in particular 2 waterfalls, which is where Twin Falls got its name. So, thanks for coming along with me. Hope you enjoyed the adventure. Hi guys, welcome back to Twin Falls State Park. I say welcome back because we've been here once before. So maybe the fifth or sixth video I ever posted was of the overlooks here at Twin Falls. Well, they don't call it Twin Falls for the overlooks. They call Twin Falls because there are two waterfalls. Me and my infinite wisdom, I did not have any video of those said waterfalls when I made the initial video. So I told you guys, at least I justified in my head, that you all needed to see these wonderful waterfalls. Because 2 years ago, when I came down here with my best friend, they were two of the nicest waterfalls I had seen in any West Virginia state parks. Right now, the waterfall that we saw in Cumbrebo is right now my favorite. I'm hoping though that these Twin Falls can break me out of it. So, and now mind you, we've been disappointed in the past by waterfalls. Holly River comes to mind. Both their waterfalls, at least the time I saw them, didn't really have maybe not even a trickle of water coming down them. So we're just hoping that today we can see the two nicest waterfalls, at least that I've seen in the past. I say past because, well, Cumbrebo is still at least somewhat fresh in our brains. So I hope you guys will come along with me as we head off on this adventure. Let's go find some waterfalls. So guys, we are officially on the fall trail, or the Falls Trail. I want you to look at this though. On either side of us, we're surrounded by giant rhododendron bushes. One thing I've noticed in these state parks is that these rhododendrons grow to immense size. They can be either white, pink, or even a purplish color, but they grow ridiculously well, especially in these stinking forests. Now, I'm not sure if you can hear it on the video. We got a little brook over to our left side. We heard the waterfall coming down, so we know that the first waterfall is at least somewhat decent. Now, the question is, how good is it really? Some of you have been making comments as to why I don't talk more on these videos. Well, I don't really have a lot of important things to say. Mostly I'm just here to provide you enough information so that we can learn more about the park. I think we're coming up on our first waterfall here. Yep. First one's down there. Now the question is, how do we get to it? We'll find that out in a minute. Okay guys, so we scrambled all the way down that. Death-defying, wasn't it, cheese? And we got that. Now, if we're looking at relative comparison size, this doesn't look like a gigantic waterfall. Then again, we haven't really had a lot of rain either. Yeah. I'm contemplating if I should go back though.
So I don't think it's worth risking the fall. I think you guys get the point. I think you guys see the fact that this is halfway decent falls. It doesn't maybe have the water volume is what it normally does. But then again, we're in early fall, late summer, and we haven't had a lot of rain. So that's the first number of falls. I forget what it's called. I'll leave it in the video. But yeah, this fall is number 1. And that, my friends, is the second one. And that, my friends, is the second one. I think they said they called this one Marsh Falls. So, yeah. You look down there in the pool, if you really, really want to, if you really want to go all the way down there and defy death, you can go down and get in it. And swim. Totally up to you. Cheese, you gonna go down there and start swimming?
I can't go and do swimming. That's just this wouldn't really be right. I don't really know how deep it is or if it's even safe. Or it could be anything.
Can you swim, Cheese?
Of course I can swim. Unlike you can hold on your own, right?
I can't swim. Sure. There's that, or it might go down deeper. I don't know yet. This is what the lovely trail down looks like. Or maybe we'll go to this one. Yeah, that one really isn't much of a trail. Yeah. I don't know if this will be the end of this video, but those are Twin Falls. The first one that I showed you is Black Fork Falls, and this one's supposed to be Marsh Falls. So, if I don't add anything to the end of this video, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that one of these days you'll come down here and visit Twin Falls State Park, home of the 2 falls and a whole bunch of rhododendrons. Take care. Have a wonderful day. Please like this video and subscribe it. Please share with your friends. I only have 70 subscribers. Well, 69. Yeah, I'm 69. Don't have 70 yet. So, you all have a wonderful day. Take care. God bless. So yeah, guys, we're on top of the waterfall. That is the waterfall. This is everything that comes with it. Not only is it here, so I don't fall on my head, it goes all the way back in here. So you have like a whole bunch of mini waterfalls all the way back in here, accentuated. Another little wading hole. So all this makes its way down little gravity rapids all the way down there to our lovely falls. So you can go down to the base of the falls and swim, or you can come up to here and wade in the pool. Or as Cheese does, messes with it with his walking stick.